Hello everyone. Now we are going to learn topological sort using BFS. So using BFS involve a algorithm known as Kahn's algorithm. So let's see how this algorithm works. Suppose I have a graph one, two, three. Okay, one is directed to two, two is directed to three. Okay. So now if we are applying the breadth first search for the finding the topological sort, we have to simply keep the in degree of every vertices. So here we can see that the in degree vertices of 2 is 1, in degree vertices of 3 is 1, and in degree vertices of 1 is 0. So according to topological sort, we first uh, put all these values in an array named it as in degree array. Okay, and now we will traverse the array, and as we have stored the in degree of all these vertices, we will store the in degree of we will store the vertices 2 and q whose in degrees are 0. Okay, whose in degrees are 0. Suppose here in degree of 1 is 0, so we will put 1 in a queue. Okay, now we will apply the BFS algorithm here. So 1. So after 1 we will visit to 2. Okay, now we will check for 2. What is the in degree of 2? Okay, so in degree of 2 is 1. So what we'll do is we will decrement the in degree by minus 1. Okay. So if the in degree is 0, then we'll push that value in uh, our queue. Okay. So we have checked for 1, and we have decremented the in degree of 2 as 0. Okay. So now if this in degree is 0, we will push that node in our queue. So here it is 2. And remember, uh, the values that we are pushing in the queue must be stored in an array. Okay, so here we have already put 1. Now if we are checking for 2, here we will put 2. Okay, now let's check all the adjacent vertices of the 2. Here the adjacent vertices of 2 is 3, and its in degree is 1. So it we will minus it by 1, so its in degree will become 0. Okay, since its in degree has become 0, we will push that in degree in our queue, that node in queue. Now we have checked for 2. Okay, now we will check for 3. So since we are checking for 3, we will push that 3 in our array. Okay, since the degree of 3 is already 0, so we will remove this. We will come from, and this come from our loop, and this is our required answer. So this is the topological sorted array. Okay, so let's see how does this uh, topological sort work. Okay, using BFS. Okay, here is my code. I have created the BFS topo sort. Okay, first of all, what I have done is I have traced a loop from 1 to 6. I have a node from 1 to 5. Okay, uh, so loop from 1 to 6, and for each vertices store their indexes. I have stored here. Okay, now I have taken two queue, one for storing the node and other for storing the topological sorted answers. Okay, now running loop from 1 to 6, and we are checking whose in degree is 0. If we found the in degree to be 0, we will simply push that value in our queue. Okay, now simply use the BFS algorithm that we were using previously. So here it is same, and the value which we are getting is already pushed into the required Q value, required Q answer. Okay. So for each vertices and their child nodes, we are decreasing the in degree value. You can say here, and if that in degree value of those node becomes zero, then we will simply push that value in our queue. Okay, this loop will goes on, and after coming out from this loop, we will get our required answer. So let's see for this. Our answer must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here we are getting it. This is how it works. Thank you.